We use this is when we want to tell someone about one thing that you are holding. This is a teddy bear. Can you say it with me? This is a teddy bear. Can you say it with me? This is a book. We use these are when we want to tell someone about many things that you are holding. Don't forget the plural noun. These are flowers. Can you say it with me? These are flowers. Can you say it with me? These are dogs. Practice time. First, look at the pictures and tell me, how many of each thing? One or many? That's right, only one of each thing. Now, look at the pictures below and say, this is... Well done. This is a dog. This is a cat. This is an apple. That's right. Many of each thing. Now, look at the pictures below and say, these are... Well done. These are oranges. These are books. These are apples. Quiz. You have 5 seconds to choose the answer. Choose this is or these are. This is a ball. Choose this is or these are. These are books. Choose this is or these are. This is a balloon. Fantastic work today. You learned how to say this is and these are. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time, friends.